Hello, and it's the Science Ninja back again, Michael Pope. And for this second activity, we're going for our lecture of flipped classroom. We're going to look at part two and looking at the in-class activity. So we're going to extend the activity, the outside activity of student-oriented activity back into an in-class activity, which allows students to use discourse and digital platforms to document and to continue the learning of the concepts of global warming. So no, the flip class, let's go ahead and open up my document here and share my screen. I will start the tech class. So I do have a tech class set up here where we can look at the activity which is here, the pre-activity, and the in-class activity is in the classwork is here. We're going to be using a science activity, which is the CER, and I have the activity spelled out here. So looking at part one, we're going to discuss the um, Ed puzzle, and then we're going to go straight into the activity, which is the CER, or Claim Evidence and Reasoning activity, which is used in science. And the students can use that activity to explain a claim from the video, get some scientific evidence, and then make an explanation. And there's a form attached there, and I'll show you the form here. And in that form, you see we have the question, evidence, concept, reasoning, claim, and this explains how to do the scientific explanation. This form is fillable in the Google Classroom. The students will work on this first in class, and then we'll take that document and upload it and get feedback in class. Then upload this document later for the teacher to give feedback. Let's go back to our activity. And then from there, once students have started the dialogue, they're going to do student dialogue and discourse on global warming using the CR form. They'll have a chance to get feedback from their peers, to expand upon their ideas, to add more information to the document before they upload it. And then the second part of the activity for the in-class activity is going to be the use of flip. So if you notice here, Flipgrid has already been set up for the class, and in the flip, the students will have the opportunity to start their discussion. They will record their discussion based upon that Ed puzzle video, and looking at, in particular, um, discussing student solutions for how to combat global warming at the local level, and then individually what they can do to combat global warming. For this activity, which can be started in class and extended beyond the class as a homework activity, students will need to respond to at least two other peers to satisfy the criteria for mastery of this activity. So, again, this is the Science Ninja looking again at how to take the flip class from the outside activity to the inside the class activity using digital organizers and digital platform of Flipgrid or Flip to allow kids to continue discourse either in class or once the class has ended. So this is the ending of the second mini lecture. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you understand more about how to conduct in and out of class activities using a flip class.